My name is Kendra. I'm 23. I'm married to the most amazing man ever. We don't have any kids, but the whole entire world wants us to have babies, but that will come when it's time. I love Jesus. He's everything. Crazy. Used to be ratchet. Shout out to all the EX RATCHETs. I simply am a lover, not a fighter. I love to sing. I love musicals. I love to worship. I love to hang out. I love community. Honest confetti. It is a conversation piece. It is the conversation that you don't necessarily like talking about, but you do because you know that it's necessary. Honest confetti is the things church kids want to say, but don't say due to stigmas, due to fear, due to silence. Honest confetti is stories, passion. Honest confetti is that conversation that makes you cringe, but you know you have to talk about because it's the truth. Honest confetti is the very thing you want to avoid, but you know you have to address. The thing that kind of makes you like scrunch your face up, but you know you have to talk about. Honest confetti is the real. It's the raw, it's the honest, it's the celebration of honesty. Woo! It's scary. As frightening as it is to share your story, as frightening as it is to talk about the most embarrassing moments of your life, it's absolutely freeing. It's absolutely liberating. It's something that kind of makes your soul leap on the inside. Hello? Are you watching this? Yeah.